he was talking about how he wanted to live his life for God, and for that one time when Christ comes back and you know, like, it's time for us to go home, he says, well done. And Francis Chan, that's the only thing that he longs for in his life. That's what he lives, and it is living the life he's living now. And I thought about that, and I was like, you know, I want, when I meet my father one day, I want to know my name and to say, well done. So, this song is about that.